we're actually at MBK, the biggest mall in Thailand. Hi, how are you? Yeah, so yeah. Follow me, follow me. Mama, where do you think I'm from?
Kenya?
Kenya? No. Okay, I received Kenya. I'm from Kenya. I'm from Kenya. Aku juga dapat ada cuma sini beda ni. Oh, they say DJI. They say it's closed. No, I mean like the shop closed, so maybe they moved to the other side. So okay, what's the plan B if they don't here? Do they have another one though?
But they have all a copy one, not
Copy. So where else can I find DJI shop?
DJI you can get in Pandy Plaza, another mall.
Where is Pandy Plaza?
3 kilometers out from here.
But then in Siam Paragon they don't have?
No, Siam Paragon.
Oh, Nyasha, 200 bahts. Bless your sister. Oh, how much discount? Sure? Cannot at all? Oh. All of them are 200 baht. No discount. I want discount. Which one? Oh, these are so small. Different. Oh, hi. How are you? How much is this? Shit, I'm the sweater. So this is Nyasha. Nyasha is buying water. Water. What did you buy? And we're going to Airport Link. This is where you buy your tickets. So this is where you buy your tickets if you want to go to Airport Link. Hey, so I want 2 tickets to Airport Link. Where?
Which Airport Link?
Together, so we can take this one to MBK. MBK.
You go to Thai first and train to BTS again.
Okay, so I can pay here.
Buy tickets.
Okay. How much per time?
30 baht for one.
Okay, 2. Okay. So, per time. Okay, so this is what they gave us. If you buy the ticket, they give you this one. So I'll show you how this one works. Where is it? Oh, I think this is the security one. Okay, security. Oh, and then okay, Nyasha, this is yours. And this is how you use this thing. So T and then K. Standing passenger train in Thailand. Okay. So this is how you use this thing. Invalid passage. Okay. So These are our tickets to go to MBK. MBK. So happy to meet another YouTuber. His name is David, right? David.
David Daily. D-A-L-Y.
D-A.
L-Y.
Uh-huh.
No, D-A-L-Y. Yes.
This one, right?
Right.
Wow! I'm just gonna add you.
Thank you. What's the name of yours again?
Sharini, I'll just comment on one of your video, then you're like, okay, that's me, yeah? Okay, thank you.
Canon M50?
No, Canon 200D. But I'm about to buy this one as well because now if I want to vlog, I have to ask her, I have to force her to travel with me.
Because I got the Canon M15.
Oh, really?
Finding it
difficult, right?
comments on people saying you got to stabilize it more.
Oh, okay.
This is much better, yeah?
Yeah, this one, GoPro 7. Oh,
Yeah,
that's nice.
yeah.
Okay. So do you use like drone to film your videos or not?
Drone?
No? You don't want that?
like it.
Oh, why?
It's boring, eh?
Oh, okay, cool.
What do you reckon?
We're going to MBK because we're going to check the drones. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you do here? Just
No, here I'm a teacher.
English teacher.
Yeah.
Do you need a degree?
No, I've got a master's. Yeah.
I haven't got a TEFL. I'm talking about teaching English in Australia.
Oh, really? Oh, that's good. Very much standing passengers. So this one is no longer a train, right? So this is the BTS. That's Siam Paragon for you, honey. Siam Paragon is very beautiful. Siam. So this is Bangkok City.
สถานีต่อไปสถานีปลายทางสนามกีฬาแห่งชาติ
We actually took this BTS.
Station National Stadium
Yes, that's where we're going.
Thank you
It's only one station. It's only one station. Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. Hey, I don't know where I put my card. I don't know. I think. This one. Ndakathenga ndichiti but akakura kupfura iyi because ndakathenga ndichifungwa nderechi ndere ndazona ndere phone koma microphones rinodazi mamicrophone rakareba kudai also ri chi micro light ndidhurire rata 700 something. And just the exit. Where's the exit? These are short. Did we came through this way? I need to Patakapusa, they doesn't go anywhere street. Give all the mother cheaper. It's grown it. What fake is it? I think what I'll do is to go you're gonna check. Hey, cameras.
You want a memory? How are you? You want a wireless power bank? Hello, how are you? Gonna help you?
Where is the exit?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay. Who's open exit? This is the exit, right? How are you going to use them? And so this is basically MBK, end of our MBK trip.